Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will look at the case, when, and then structure. We already saw immediate if as well as choose function, which makes a decision. So you can refer video number 58 to know more about if and choose. The same way, case when structure is also useful for decision making. So choose is a function, case when is actually a structural stuff. Using that you can make a if else kind of statement. So inside the case structure there will be multiple when condition. So the condition is placed with the when statement. When condition evaluates to true, the expression in then part will be executed. So there will be case, condition, after that then, and then in the then part you can place some of the SQL statements. So those statements will be executed when condition evaluates to true. Now let's use this to report price advice of your book titles as low, medium, and high. So that will give you an idea of how to use the case when structure. Here, if you see, we are making a select statement from titles table of the pubs database. So from titles, we are selecting the columns title ID, book title, book type, price. Then here we are forming the case when structure. So first we are opening the case, and when a case is opened there should be a pairing end. So the case structure starts here and it runs through, then at particular place it ends. So between case and end there may be one or more when statement. So here in the when we can place a condition. So here when price less than or equal to 3 and price greater than 0. So that means if price is between 0 and 3, we call that as a low price book. So in the then statement, we are forming a simple expression by placing a single quote. Here you can even place multiple statement or run some other query, whatever you want, you can do that in the then structure. Next we open one more when price is less than or equal to 15 and greater than 3. That means 0 to 3 we are calling it as low price. More than 3 to 15 we are calling it as a medium price book, or else whatever it is, that's high. That means if a book price is more than 15, plus we can say, in that case we call it as a high. So what happens, this will print title ID, title, type, price, and based on this price there will be one more column that will either get printed as low, medium, or high. So that's all about this case structure. Let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio and see how it works. Now let's go to the demo. So let's close our previous window. So we will use pubs database and titles table. Here if you see, this is the titles table. This column displays the title, book title, and there is a price column. Based on this price, we are going to print low, medium, high. Alright, here is our when structure, case when structure. So as already explained in PowerPoint slide, here we are picking a 4 selective column. We are picking title ID, title, type, price. Then we are deriving one more column, and we call that as cost or cost advice. Alright, now we will execute this. And here you can see, based on the price, our case when structure is stating it's high, medium or low. So likewise you can see the result.